Well, I just walked out here and I was gonna start the car, but I remembered the battery is in this car. If you haven't checked the videos of this car out, you should go check them out. But I need to move this out of the way because today we are getting an alignment before Autocross. I just rebuilt my front end and I only aligned it using strings, so it's kind of straight, you know. I'm proud of it. I think it's decent. But we're gonna go see if we can get this thing dialed in and find out how bad this rear camber is, because I really need to order Paco rear upper control arms, or Paco motorsports arms. So let's get that battery. Oh, Home Dude took all of the interior out of this. Oh God, I forgot this thing's brakes are kind of iffy. That wheel hanger putting in some work. It only has one screw mounted in, but I found out the NA wheel hangers I made also fit in B's. Oh yeah, that's definitely not the right screw, but I mean, if you want to hang this old, yeah, whatever. Enough with that. My stock NA wheel is actually a little bit wider than this Nardi NB wheel, but that's cute. It really doesn't sound bad. All right, enough with that. And it's a 10 because, of course, yeah, you know, just not too much damage, you know. Not today, NB, not today. I guess I should get a battery for that car. If you guys want to see some spicy stuff with the NB before we take the motor out, comment below what you want to see. I'm kind of open to anything. It doesn't matter. We can have as much fun as we want with that one. Also forgot that this, my power steering thing, yeah, totally ruined. I'm about to seize this opportunity. Wonder if it'll work. Mine's just missing the lock ring. Hey, now it seals. I should put some power steering fluid in there. Huh. Maybe not now. We've got this thing warming up. Let's go get in alignment. Doing that Miata thing. This is actually where we fuel up for our autocross events. That road over yonder, yeah, where that car is, that road leads you to the event area. I'll show you guys in a second. This is that road I was pointing at. Hopefully it's not busy, hopefully it's not busy. We usually park our cars over there, and then that's our trailer, and our little staging area will be right there tomorrow. God, that is gonna be fun. But we got the Miata up here at Brown Radiator and Alignment. These guys, a bunch of these guys who work here actually come to Autocross, and they're pretty fast. There's actually an older gentleman who owns this place, and he comes to Autocross all the time. So hopefully they'll get me dialed in, and they'll let me know how bad this rear camber is. Yep, we got it spicy. That is gonna be spicy. We are fresh out of Bucks. My bad, we're fresh out of Browns. And dude, this car is set up so spicy now. Like, we had our front was cambered in an inch on each side prior. So this top half is before, and before we were all over the place, but now we're -3 on the front, and -3.5, -3.5 on the rear. We are about to have an insane event. Like, he told me this car, that driving down the block, he can already feel the difference. I need to put some new wax on my windshield. Oh my God, oh my God. My battery is not completely strapped in right now, flying all over the place. But it is driving so flawless, like, I'm stoked. This car feels 100 times better, and I've already been able to go pretty fast in the last couple seasons with an absolutely destroyed suspension. So I feel like feel like I'll have an opportunity to have a lot of fun tomorrow. This is one of my favorite curves. Woo! Oh, that was fun. That was spicy. That was spicy. You know, I'm so stoked to get this car dialed in. This season is going to be huge for this car. And like I mentioned earlier at the shop, that man who owns it has some interesting parts for the motor for this thing. So stick around. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day.